please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So, have you checked out this girl here? She is gorgeous. She is popping. I've been doing a thing, y'all. I've been sublimating. So these are some of my sublimations. This is actually, I'm subbing on white vinyl. I'll do a tutorial on that one later. But yeah, y'all. So I'm going to show you how I've been able to get these colors popping tint. Yep, I even did a mouse pad. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so today really quickly, I'm going to do a tutorial on how I sublimate. So I have a Cricut machine. However, Cricut does not print and cut at a large size. So if you're not familiar with that, it doesn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Silhouette. I downloaded the Silhouette Studio, the free version of that. And what I did was, let me make sure I'm recording because I don't know for sure. So excuse me. Okay. So what I did was I downloaded this image. Everyone probably has seen this image. I'm an 80s baby, but 90s raised me. So this is like everything. So what I'm going to do is I am going to turn it sideways. And if you see, it'll show you what the inches are. I'm going to turn this image sideways. And then I'm going to stretch it. If you see here, the black line shows you where the paper is. So I'm just going to sublimate a shirt really quickly. Well, let me put this on a charger so it won't die. So give me 2 seconds. Let me find my charger, and I'm not going to stop it because I'm trying to hurry up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this completely out so that it'll be on the entire paper. I tried to find this image a little bit clear because to me this is not as clear as I would like it. But it is what it is because it's just a quick video. A lot of people have been asking me about subbing recently. So I'm stretching it out so it completely fit over the whole page. That's how I'm going to do it. If I was using it on a mouse pad or something else, I would make sure that it was like that as well. And then I would make sure, well, I actually would make sure it was the correct amount of inches. And then I always make it a little bit larger so it could get around the edges. So anywho, I have that. I'm using the Epson WF7720. And what I'm going to do is I was able to get my colors popping. I'm so excited. I'm going to press print. And then I have another printer too that apparently has low ink. So we're going to go to our Epson. My default settings 1. This is actually a preset. I tried to change the name of it to colors popping, but it was acting up. So I just said forget it. So now what I'm going to do is go to layout. You see for my color matching is on Epson IJ Printer 07. So this is how I get my colors to pop. And then I have it on media type high quality plain paper. I either use this or I use premium presentation paper matte. But high quality plain paper has been getting them really popping. My quality is always a top quality paper. And because I'm subbing, I do have to mirror the image. So now it's attached to my Epson. Everything is everything. The image is mirrored. And I'm not sure why this one isn't saved with the image already mirrored. Here. I'm going to save that one like that so I don't have to always click and do it. But anywho, so this is my specific settings for a Mac so my colors can pop. So I'm going to print that. And then that is going to get sent to my printer. Let me grab my shirt I'm going to do. And then I think I'm done with this portion. Yeah, so actually I'm done with this. It's going to send it, and then I'm going to show you the different way. So that's how my information is stored, how I get my specific colors to pop. Okay, so this is how the photo came out with those specific settings that I told you about. I have my T-ruler. I'm gonna just make sure I'm also going to, what I do is, because I don't actually have a silhouette, I don't know, I may purchase one, but so I can't cut the sides, I'm gonna use this to cut the sides. Now I have to be very careful because it's ink. So I'm gonna cut the sides so it can be really neat and perfect, and then I'm gonna put it on my shirt. So now, because I love the colors, I'm gonna put it on the back. I'm printing out another shirt to put on the front. Hold on. This is a shirt I'm gonna put on the front. I like the actual quality of these pictures are better, but I still love this, so I'm gonna put this one on the back. This is my first time doing front and back subbing, so I hope you can do it. We gonna find out today. So it was mirror, so I'm gonna mirror it. As you see, I'm using Asub paper. I'm gonna put my butcher paper on the back. I'm gonna measure it. Told you I have these. So I'm gonna measure it. I'm just trying to make this video quick. Measure it, make sure it's in the center, tape it down, because I wanna make sure it stays like that, and put it in my heat press. Okay, stay tuned. So I'm putting my craft paper or butcher's paper inside of my shirt so that it won't go through. So that's what I'm doing here. This is inside of my shirt. Ooh. Okay, so I'm putting on 400 for 45 seconds. Everybody, you know, does it different, but that's what I put it on. I have my paper over it. Here we go. Oh, wait. Here we go. So what I do is I look to see if it like is really, really through. I can kind of look at the edges. I'm literally gonna just put it down for maybe 10 more seconds. Okay, so everyone has their own technique. You can't use that transfer paper again because it may bleed to the next one. But what I do is I just want to make sure it's really gonna pop. So if I take the tape off, and it's really hot, so be careful. Take the tape off and let's see how it turned out. Oh yeah, it turned out beautiful. Oh my goodness, it looks just like the picture. Popping. Yep, so that's how I do mine. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some good tips. Happy subbing. Okay, so now let's see how this one turned out. Like I said, it's really hot, so be careful. I actually, when I do my mugs and stuff, I have the gloves, so I'm always safe. But this is, I don't need the gloves. Okay, and I did the same settings. I did it 445 seconds in about 10 or 15 more seconds. Ooh. Oh, yes. It's so cute. Okay, so now this is the front of my shirt. All the grapes, baby. And the back of my shirt. Now, if you see, I gotta get it off because unfortunately I didn't think to put something on the back of here. So that's a lesson learned. I know how to clean it off, so I can clean it off. But I keep it real and I keep it honest. So it didn't mess up the color. I have. Oh, it did. Look, that messed up. See, you gotta be careful. So if you do something on the front back, you gotta be careful because I messed it up. But anywho, that's not the point of the video. The video is to see how popping it is. So that part worked. I got some things to learn and I learned some lessons. Okay, so it came out beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is 100% polyester shirt and it came out wonderful. Colors are popping. And that's that. So I hope I helped you guys with something. I hope you guys learned something. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.